Most welcome in this passage solution session. In this session, we are to enjoy a passage named The House with the Golden Windows. Let us enjoy it. Manisha woke up feeling worried on prize distribution day. Prize distribution day यानी पुरस्कार वितरण दिवस पर मनीषा काफ़ी चिंतित अवस्था में जगी. She was to receive a prize for the best science project that year. उस वर्ष वह सबसे अच्छी विज्ञान परियोजना हेतु पुरस्कार प्राप्त करने को थी. But Manisha was afraid to go up on stage before the whole school. लेकिन पूरे विद्यालय परिवार के सामने स्टेज के ऊपर जाने में मनीषा को डर लग रही थी. She was sure she would do something clumsy and everyone would laugh at her. उसे ऐसा विश्वास था कि उससे कुछ अभद्र बात हो जाएगी और लोग उस पर हंस पड़ेंगे. Manisha trembled as she walked on to the stage. जैसे ही मनीषा स्टेज की तरफ चली कि वह थरथराने लगी. And lo, she tripped and fell flat on her face. और वह फिसल गई और मुंह के बल गिर पड़ी. Everyone in the auditorium stopped talking and looked at her. ऑडिटोरियम में मौजूद सभी दर्शकगण बातें करना बंद कर दिए और सभी एक टकटकी से उसे ही देखने लगे. बट इंस्टेड ऑफ क्राइंग मनीषा स्टार्टेड लाफिंग. लेकिन रोने के बजाय मनीषा हंसने लगी. वह हंस पड़ी. हर लाफ्टर ब्रॉट ए स्माइल टू एवरीबॉडीज फेस. उसकी हंसी ने प्रत्येक व्यक्ति के चेहरे पे मुस्कान ला दिया. द चीफ गेस्ट स्माइल्ड एज शी हेल्प्ड हर अप and patted her on the back. मुख्य अतिथि मुस्कुराए और उसे ऊपर उठने में मदद किया और उसके पीठ को थपथपा दिया. Everyone clapped loudly as Manisha received her award. जैसे ही मनीषा अपनी पुरस्कार प्राप्त की वहाँ मौजूद प्रत्येक व्यक्ति जोर से ताली बजा दिए. Now, in the next step, we are to learn belonging questions and answer one by one. Just watch, listen, and note it down accordingly. English workbook belonging to class 4, passage first, titled The House with the Golden Windows, page number 2. Answer the following questions. Question first. On which day Manisha woke up feeling worried? Answer. On prize distribution day Manisha woke up feeling worried. Question second. For what she was to be awarded? Answer. She was to be awarded for her best science project. Question number 3. Why Manisha was afraid to go on the stage? Answer. Manisha was afraid to go on the stage because she used to think to do something clumsy. As a result, everyone would laugh at her. Question number 4. What brought a smile on everybody's face? Answer. After being fallen on the stage, Manisha started laughing instead of crying. Her laughter brought a smile to everybody's face.